You're low on gas and looking to stop at the gas station. On one side, premium fuel with a price so high you're wondering if it come with free beers. And the other, cheaper gas that's practically begging you to treat yourself for a luscious chicken dinner. Seems like a no-brainer, right? Welcome to the gasoline dilemma. Is it gas or trash? As of 2024, other countries are already cutting back its supply for cheap gasoline that adds toxic air woes in major cities. Saving a few bucks now might feel like a win, but your engine, oh, it's taking notes. And trust me, it's plotting its revenge. Let's talk about cheap gas. It's quite missing those magical additives. Basically, those are the ones that keep your engine running smoother than a freshly waxed hood. Without them, your engine starts building up carbon deposits. Think cholesterol, but for your car. And what happens when arteries clog? Exactly. So here's what cheap gas can give you, besides short-term savings. Engine damage. Cheap fuel is like feeding your car junk food. Wear, tear, rust, and bam! Engine failure. Your car deserves better than bargain bin gas. Sluggish performance. Bad fuel burns badly. Your car ends up running like it skipped leg day. Weak, slow, and out of breath. Emissions nightmare. Your engine chokes, and the planet gets punished. Extra pollutants equals a guilt trip for your eco-conscience. Clogged fuel system. Impurities in bad fuel clog filters and lines, starving your engine. Q. Why is my car stalling at rush hour? Engine knocking. That knock-knock joke your engine delivers?
Knock-knock.
It's not funny.
KGB.
Injector trouble. Bad fuel leaves deposits that block injectors. Translation. Repairs aren't cheap, and your engine can't breathe. How about premium gasoline? It's like the organic kale smoothie of the fuel world.
Oncolytic digestive enzyme shake.
With a higher octane rating, it prevents knocking, boosts performance, and keeps your engine flying high. Sure, it's pricier, but so is a new catalytic converter. And what about diesel? Diesel drivers, don't think you're off the hook. Cheap diesel is like the knockoff version of a designer bag. It might look fine at first, but give it time.
It's not just a bag, it's Prada.
Low-quality diesel often comes with extras you didn't ask for. Dirt, sulfur, and even water.
What?
Yes, water.
What the?
These impurities clog injectors, corrode engine parts, and steal your vehicle's power like a bad ex. And let's not forget the cetane rating, diesel's answer to octane. Lower cetane means rougher performance and slower ignition. Combine that with cheap diesel, and your engine's basically going to have a tremendous nightmare. Hold up, you chime in. My car's basically a VIP. It can handle anything. Yeah, fancy engines today can tango with lower-grade fuel. But if you're rolling in an older ride or treating your tank like a discount buffet, you're basically swiping right on a heartbreak. Cheap gas or diesel might feel like a short-term win, but in the long run, it's the kind of gamble that leaves your wallet and your engine crying. Investing in quality fuel is like investing in good tires. It'll save you money down the road.
Buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free.
Now, speaking of saving, have you subscribed yet? No pressure, but clicking that like and subscribe button is easier than figuring out your car's octane rating. Now that we've cracked open the truth about fuel quality, let's move on to another hot topic. Tire secrets you need to know to save you money and your life. Stick around because we're diving into that next on Fast.